Hello everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today, let's see how to make zucchini soup. Slice up one zucchini and dice one onion and one potato. Also, finely chop 3 cloves of garlic. Now heat up a pot and add in a tablespoon of butter. Now add in the chopped garlic and saute till the garlic is fragrant. Now add in the onions and saute till they are a little bit soft. Add in the sliced zucchini and the potato. Now saute this for a minute or two. Add in 2 cups of water. Season this with salt. I've used about half a teaspoon of salt. Now stir it all well and allow it to boil. Once the soup starts boiling, cover and cook for 15 minutes and turn off the flame and let it cool. Once it reaches room temperature, transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. You can use a hand blender if you have one. If you're using the hand blender, you can bypass this step and blend it while it's still hot and finish up cooking. Now we have blended the zucchini. Transfer it to the pot with the broth and mix it all well. Now heat it up again. This time I'm seasoning it with some crushed black pepper and Italian herb mix. You can use either one of these or even skip both, but I personally prefer the crushed black pepper seasoning. Now stir well and cook till the soup starts simmering and serve it up. You can also drizzle olive oil or chili oil as seasoning. Hope you found the video useful. Thank you for watching.